Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll start with phrasal verbs. So phrasal verbs are formed when a verb is followed by another word. जब एक verb जो होता है वो दूसरे word के साथ follow होता है तो then we make phrasal verbs, and this another word is known as participle. The participle may be an adverb or a preposition. तो जो verb के साथ जो word होगा वो या तो adverb होगा या फिर preposition भी हो सकता है. The verb and the participle together form completely different meaning from the verb alone. तो जो इन दोनों का mixture, जो इन दोनों का composite जो meaning होता है, that is completely different from the verb. The usage of phrasal verbs in writing and speech is considered good. तो phrasal verbs को अगर हम use करते हैं तो that is considered good. The following are some phrasal verbs with their meaning. So examples are given. So ask around, phrasal verb. So it is like ask many people the same thing. तो अगर ask और ask around दोनों का meaning अलग अलग है. Ask is just एक पूछना और ask around means to ask many people the same thing. Add up to something, it means equal. Blow up, it means explode. Breakdown means stop functioning. So you can see that break and down both have different meanings, और इनका जो composite word बनता है, phrasal verb बन रहा है break down, that is a different meaning, that is stop functioning. So break verb है और down जो है वो एक adjective है. Break in, enter forcefully. Break up and a relationship. So break and up दोनों का अलग अलग मीनिंग है बट कंपोजिट वर्ड में एक ही है. It is a different meaning. Call off means cancel. Catch up, to get the same point as someone else. Cheer up, become happier. Chip in means help. Come across means find unexpectedly. Count on means rely. Do away with means discard. Dress up means wear nice clothes. Drop out means quit a class or college, etc. Eat out means eat in a restaurant. Fall apart means break into pieces. Figure out means understand. Find out means discover. Get along means like each other. Get back means return. So if we want to say that I'll get back to you, it means I'll return back to you with some information. Give up means stop trying, and go ahead means start. Then is grow up, become an adult. Hand in means submit. Hang on means wait for a short time. Hang up means end a phone call. He hung up on me. It means he ended my phone call. Let down means fail to support. So don't let me down by not doing this project. Look after, take care of. Look for means try to find. I am looking for the storybook in the library. Make up, forgive each other. Pass away means die. Pass out means faint. Pay for, be punished for something. So if you do this, you'll have to pay for it. Put off means postpone. The meeting was put off for tomorrow. Run into, meet unexpectedly. Run out, have none left. So I am running out of stock. Set up means arrange. Sleep over means stay somewhere for the night. So kids will have a sleepover at friend's house. It means they will enjoy, they will go and stay there, have some party and come back. Sort out, resolve a problem. I'll sort out the issue. Take after, resemble someone. Take off, start to fly. The aircraft took off on the right time. Think over, consider. Turn down, the proposal was turned down. It means it was refused. turn up, appear suddenly. Wear off means fade. Work out means exercise. I am going to work out. So these are the phrasal verbs examples. So let us now see the types of phrasal verbs. So type 1 is verb plus adverb with no object. Basically in this type the verb and adverb cannot be separated. So verb and adverb are there, but there is no object. Just cut back, end up, go off, run out. So we have run out of eggs. So we cannot say that we have run eggs out. Means it is incorrect. Verb and adverb cannot be separated from each other. Then is verb plus adverb plus object, or verb plus object plus adverb. It means verb and adverb can be separated and an object can be inserted. Just say find out, give away, put off, try on. So if the object is a noun, the adverb can go before the noun. Like she wants to try on the dress. And if the object is a noun, if the object is a noun, the adverb can go before the noun. So she wants to try on the dress. So on is before the noun, that is dress. Now if the object is a noun, the adverb can go after the noun. So in this way she wants to try the dress on. इसमें जो object है, the dress, it has come in between verb and adverb. That is try and on के बीच में आ गया. So this is also correct. If the object is a pronoun, then verb plus adverb cannot be separated. The adverb comes after the object. जैसे she wants to try it on. So it, an incorrect way is she wants to try on it. So it is very important to practice understanding and using phrasal verbs. There is sometimes an alternative to phrasal verb may sound too formal. जैसे put down, make someone feel inferior. So the teacher likes making the students feel inferior. So it feels too formal. So we use the phrasal verb. The teacher likes putting the students down. So this is an informal way of saying something. Then is verb plus preposition plus object. So there is a verb, there is a preposition, and then there is object. That is type 3. Just say break into, pick on, turn into, get over. With this type, it is not possible to separate the preposition from the verb. So John picked on little Mary. So this is the correct. And then John picked on her. This is also correct. But if we say John picked little Mary on, so this is not correct. We cannot separate the verb and preposition. John picked her on. This is also incorrect. Picked and on have to come together. Next is verb plus adverb plus preposition plus object. So there is a verb also, adverb also, there is preposition also, and object also. So like put up with. So put is verb, adverb is up, and preposition is with. Similarly, do away with, come out in, come up against. Come is a verb, up is adverb, and against is preposition. So in this category they have two particles. They cannot be separated from the verb. So the government wants to do away with tax on children's food. So do away with. She can't put up with the students arriving late to class. She can't put up with them arriving late to class. So they cannot be separated from each other. So this was about phrasal verbs. Let us now start some exercises and questions. So first is choose the correct phrasal verb to fill in the blank in the following sentences. So I dash, but nobody has seen my wallet. So I asked around. It is not I asked everyone. I asked around means to ask everyone the same thing. You'll have to run faster than that if you want to dash with Mary. So if you want to catch up with Mary. I don't feel like cooking tonight. Let's eat out. So means eating out in a restaurant. I am not being able to dash his intentions. So I am not being able to figure out his intentions. The two brothers don't dash with each other. So they don't get along with each other. They are not gelling away with each other. The spider taught Robert Bruce to never give up. So you should not give up. Dash, I'll be there with you soon. So hang up. So wait for a short while. I'll be there with you soon. Sam and Clara's wedding has been dash for a few days. So since it is few days, it will be put off. If it is cancelled, then it is called off. Called off is a meeting generally. So Sam and Clara's wedding has been put off. It means it has been postponed. I am planning to have a dash at my place soon. I am planning to have a sleepover at my place soon. The twins have dashed their mother more than their father. So in this, the twins have taken after their mother more than their father. Don't make a hasty decision, dash and get back. So think over and get back. Don't make a hasty decision. You should think over and get back to me. Jim likes to dash in the gym after a hard day's work. So Jim likes to work out in the gym. How will I bake the cake? We have dash of sugar. So we have run out of sugar. So the sugar is not there. So we will not be able to make the cake. You will dash your mistakes one way or the other. So if you make a mistake, you'll have to pay for it. So you'll pay for your mistakes one way or the other. The teacher gave the last warning to the students to hand in their project, means to submit their projects. Teacher gave the last warning. So second question is, choose the correct option which expresses the phrasal verb given in the following questions. So add up to something means it is equal. Break down means it has stopped functioning. Call off means it is to cancel a meeting or something. Chip in means it is to help. Count on means I am relying on something. I am counting on to Rama's project. Then is go ahead. You can go ahead and do it, means you can start it. Let down, it means fail to support. Pass out means to get pass out means to faint. Set up means to arrange. I have set up the stage for the show. Take off. Take off means starting to fly. The aircraft took off. Turn down. Turn down means to refuse the proposal. Wear off. Wear off is fail. Sort out means to dissolve a problem. Make up means to forgive each other. Sita and Mita made up on the issue. Get back means to return. He got back to me with the supportive document. So these are all the answers. So this was about phrasal verb. I hope you have understood the topic. Please practice it, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy learning.